I decided to have cosmetic dentistry because I was embarrassed by my smile. I saw an article on Dr. Sanders. It kind of intrigued me, and I've been thinking about this for years, and it was just something I really wanted, and I wanted to be able to smile. I finally decided enough was enough, and I'm going to do something about it. Dr. Sanders is someone who thoroughly enjoys what she does for a living. She's not only a dentist, she's an artist. I think that's why she's so good and so successful. She's utmost professional, and she doesn't go about anything she does half-heartedly. I just can't explain just how much of a change it is for me to go from trying to hide my smile to not worrying about it, whether it's meeting strangers or co-workers or family. A quick smile just changes the whole conversation immediately. First impressions are a big deal. I got tired of my first impression being a bad smile. She's amazing, so I think Dr. Sanders is the cosmetic dentist of choice. I'm Charlie Lau, and I love my new smile.